Hello, my name is Deepika and today I'm going to show you how to make baked yogurt. It's a very simple recipe with very minimal ingredients. So let's see how we go about it. Here is 1 cup yogurt, little less than 3/4 cup cream, 2/3 cup Milkmaid, vanilla essence. We'll be using some fruits for garnishing. Fruits can be of your choice, whatever you like. What we are going to do is we are going to put the oven on because this takes very little time to assemble. So we preheat the oven at 180 degrees and we are going to put some water to boil because we are going to bake it in hot water bath. We are ready to start. So we go ahead and add ingredients one by one. Here goes our yogurt. Use fresh and a little thick yogurt. Will give a nice consistency. Homemade yogurt. Cream. Cream can be any full cream you can use, any cooking cream. Normally I use Amul or Emboll, whichever is available. That's Milkmaid, like a teaspoon of vanilla essence. If you have fresh vanilla pod, you could use that. It would give even more richer flavor. If you want to make it into a different flavor, you could use orange essence and top it up with orange jelly.
Okay.
Once it is set and cold, you can make the jelly mixture and top it up with the jelly mixture also. If you want to make it a chocolate flavor, you can just add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder while mixing. To mix the cocoa powder, you should make a thick paste of cocoa powder first and then add so that it dissolves better. So we just whisk it in nicely, just like make sure everything is mixed very well. Just like 1 or 2 minutes, that's max. Now we are going to make the individual servings. So we just pour it in individual ramekin bowls. We have taken a little deep tray to put the bowls, so we can pour the water in. Here's some boiling water. It will retain the moisture. Otherwise, in the oven when you bake, it will dry off. To keep the moisture in, otherwise it will become dry. A lot of baking dishes actually are possible. The dry ones you put sand below or salt with a little elevated level where you can put the ball. Or for the wet ones, like we do for the dhokla, we put water below and at a little elevated level you put your one big plate and in that you can put the mold. Normally oven needs around 10 minutes to get preheated to 180 degrees. So I've actually put my temperature at a higher level. We could put it in immediately, 5 to 6 minutes. We've covered it with foil so that it doesn't dry up from the top. It doesn't change color. So that's the reason we cover it with the foil, because we are baking on both the sides, up and down, both are on reheating rods. So just put it to 180 now. And I'm going to bake it for like 30 minutes. It takes 25 minutes. You could check and see the sides will be firm, the center will be a little jiggly. I'm going to place it for 30 minutes. Trying to modify the recipes to my taste, to my eating habits. I follow Jainism, so don't eat a lot of things, a lot of root vegetables, and I learned a lot of cooking over a period after I actually stopped working, and that's where I moved into this and I really enjoy. This was a trailing spouse with my husband. For last couple of years, I'm not working. I may get back and get into something with cooking, making it my career ahead. Okay, so it's done. 30 minutes over. So we'll just take it out and let it cool down a bit. So, you can see it's little jiggly on the top. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove it. Just let it cool a bit. Then we put it in the fridge and let it cool down for an hour plus. So it's really nice and chill. It tastes very good when it's chill. We let it keep it chill, and before serving we garnish it. You can see that they are nice set now. So we will garnish it with the fruits. You can use any fruit of your choice. If you really want to make it more attractive, you could actually make a jelly mixture and now pour it on the top and again freeze it so that the jelly sets. I'm just going to add some pistachios too. You could even add any other nuts of your choice to give it a nice little crunch. We are ready with our baked yogurt. Very easy and quick to make. Do try it and let us know how you enjoyed it.